Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XRP on Kraken. First, you'll need to set up your Kraken account. This involves providing some basic information and verifying your email address. To unlock full trading capabilities, including higher deposit and withdrawal limits, complete the intermediate identity verification. This usually takes just a few minutes. Always enable two-factor authentication for robust protection against unauthorized access to your funds. Once your account is ready, the next step is to fund it. You can deposit fiat currency, such as US dollars, directly into your Kraken account. Common methods include bank transfers, which are often free but can take a few business days. For larger amounts, wire transfers are a reliable option, usually processing within 1 to 5 business days. Always review Kraken's funding options to understand any associated fees or minimum deposit requirements. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy XRP. Head over to the Buy Crypto section for a simple purchase, or use the trade interface for more advanced options. Select XRP from the list of available cryptocurrencies. You can then enter the amount of US dollars you wish to spend. Choose between a market order for immediate execution at the current price or a limit order to buy XRP when it reaches your specified price. After purchasing, your XRP will be held in your Kraken account. For enhanced security, many users choose to withdraw their XRP to a personal, non-custodial wallet, such as a hardware wallet. This gives you full control over your assets. When withdrawing, always double-check the recipient address to ensure accuracy, as transactions are irreversible. Kraken offers robust security features, but personal vigilance is key to protecting your investments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.